Okay, so I will just explain how PEFT works. So parameter efficient fine tuning, or uh, you know right. So this is one of the, yeah. So this is one of the methods is under which we have very popular techniques. Under this we have a very popular technique called LoRA, or um, which you might be already knowing, low um, rank adaptation. Okay, low rank adaptation. All right. So yeah, so say for example we have the base model, for example, okay, which is the base model. Okay, and it has a bunch of data which is represented by a matrix, say 3 into 3. All right. So now this is a very dumb, okay, like the chat GPT that we have, it is the Gemini which you use, this is very dumb, right? And it cannot provide what do you call that, reliable information related to healthcare, like in cancer treatment, or it cannot provide reliable information related to, say for example, predicting the stock market for a company which handles trillions of data. One wrong move, one wrong matlab, action in it can lose billions of, there will be billions of loss, right? So if you use ChatGPT or Gemini, it is not reliable, right? So we want to provide historical data of successful transactions or successful treatments and all the other related information to the this base model, right? And then and train it so that it can provide reliable and accurate predictions, right? So instead of training on this entire base model, which is like very huge and billions of parameters and huge amount of data, right? So what we are saying is that we will just train on a, because we want to perform a specific task. Say for example we just want to make predictions whether the stock will go up or no, right? So just that basic task, right? So for that we don't need to you know have this much amount of data, we don't need to deal with all these things at all. We just need to focus on a very small set of you know layer, right? So this is what this LoRa says, which means that all the necessary changes which are required, or all the necessary changes which are required to perform the new task, okay, it can be represented by this this small matrix, right? Naturally, right? Because we want to fine tune it for just one particular task, right? So it has to be a small matrix, and then the size of the matrix, it can be controlled by hyperparameter called R. Okay, so this is the rank of the matrix, or rank, yeah, rank of the matrix, for simplicity.